Alright, now after you got your finger all nice and clean and you're ready to put these screws in, I assembled it already. As you can see, it's screw, metal washer, nylon washer. The way I do this, I find it easiest is the way most people don't. It's actually, don't know why most people don't do it this way. Flip it over. Put them in. Kids and SpongeBob. Haha. They're all still on there. Now the tricky part is flipping it over and not losing those. Best bet is if you got a piece of cardboard or something heavier, you stick it on here. It's going to take two hands, so I'm going to put this camera right over here. I'll do this. What I'm going to do is hold the circuit board real good, which I just flip it upside down. There you go. You're ready to, what you'll do next is put your washers on. You gotta put nylon on first. I'll get back to you.